Okay, so here's the setup on this sawmill that I made. 19 horsepower Kohler engine. I got the fuel tank here on top, and this yellow strap here holds it down when I'm in transport. And I also have locking pins right there, these locking pins, to keep it in place so it won't move back and forth. On a single axle, 3,500 pound single axle. It's made to go up and down on these Acme rods on here, and I upgraded this to a double pulley right here. I replaced this pulley, I replaced that. I already had that blue pulley, double pulley, I already had it on there, so I shifted the motor back just so everything could line up. So everything could line up on the belts right here. My belt adjuster is this right here. I really don't like the setup, but it works. But I'll try to figure something else better later. And here's my problem right here. These pillow box bearings that are here. This is the one that gave out. I'm guessing either the torque that's on it or a lot of the sawdust that gets in there. I may build like a cup or something, some kind of dust protector to keep the sawdust out of there, see if that helps. And here's the other pillow block. It's there. These are the adjustments to tilt this back and forth to get it aligned. And here's the cover. The cover's on a piano hinge right here, so it'll go up and down. And this is the bad boy right here. These guide bearings here keep this part right here adjust straight up and down, up and down. These adjustments here make it tilt left or right, or forward and backwards, either way. And that's the same way, that one there. It'll tilt it facing up or down, or tilt it sideways with this here, and this one here makes it go straight up and down. And this side here is the other one. This is the idler pulley or sheave. This one here is just holding that one, and this is the adjuster right here. This is a sleeve that goes right here, and this slides back and forth depending where that way. If I want to loosen it up, I just release this right here, release the pressure here, and you're gonna see the belt just, see how the belt just lost tension, and there, now the belt's all loose. Now if I'm gonna tighten it, I just close that valve, and I'll crank this baby right here, and zoom in on that gauge, and I'm cranking. You're gonna see the belt start to tighten, start to move right here. See, it moves and it tightens up the belt again, the blade, and now it's getting pressure. And this is the ram that keeps the tension on there. And tighten it up again. Tight as can be. Bounce a quarter off that thing. The Acme rods are tied up together with a chain. They're hooked up together with a chain. And this is a ATV winch that I modified the the spool, and I put a sprocket on top of it to drive the chain to make it go up and down. I have a remote, but right now I have it wired directly. But with this one, direct wire, I can make it go up and down. I may upgrade it to another winch that will make it go faster. This is a little slow. It's slow, but it works. The lubrication system right here, I'm putting diesel in there, and what that does is I'll just open up this valve, and it's gravity fed, and the diesel just comes out that hole right there, and eventually it'll start dripping in there. You can see. There it is. It's dripping. I usually just set it slower so it'll drip like a drop every 2 or 3 seconds. Every second or so. Instead of a stream. I don't want a stream, I want just a drop. That keeps the bearings clean. It keeps these bearings clean and removes a lot of the heat from the blade to hopefully prolong the blade. This is an old blade. I'm going to replace this blade before I can give it a cut. My battery box is up there. This whole thing goes up and down with the cross member here, and this stays stationary. Just this, and the motor goes straight up and down with the blade and the wheels. And all these are riding. I made these square boxes right here to ride up and down on this right here. Everybody's saying I was supposed to use some silicone slides, and I guess it could have been better, but it's working like this. I just made the boxes to where they were perfectly matching in here as best they could. They're just going up and down in here. And that's what they do. The other side has another box on that side too. And this right here, this slides in and out to adjust for a wider log or a smaller log right here. And there you go. That's what it is. The trailer, I made that whole thing too. There are my jacks. I got 3 on each side, total of 6. It's got the trailer lights on it and everything to make it go down, help it so I can be legal on the road. And that's it.